Today I am taking the class of sentence structure in English grammar. uh, which is to be followed by all of you. Understanding sentence structure in English grammar is crucial for effective communication. Here is a breakdown of the key components and types of sentence structure in English. Number one, basic components of a sentence. You follows subject. What is the subject? Subject is the person, place, thing, or idea that performs the action or is described in the sentence. Examples: the dog, she, John. Verb. The verb expresses the action or state of being. Example: runs, is, eats. Object receives the action of the verb. Not all sentences have an object. Example: a book, the cake. Example sentence: she reads a book. She is the subject, reads is the verb, and a book is the object. Now I am going to second slide and follow my words. Number two, types of sentences. Simple sentence contains one independent clause, a subject and a verb that express a complete thought. Examples: he runs. Second, compound sentence contains two or more independent clauses, usually joined by a coordinating conjunction. For example, and, but, or, etc. Example: I wanted to go, but she stayed. Complex sentence contains one independent clause and at least one dependent or subordinate clause. Example: although it was raining, they went out. Compound complex sentence contains at least two independent clauses and one or more dependent clauses. Example: she did not like the movie club because it was too long, but she watched it anyway. Now I am going to third slide. Here sentence here I have described the sentence function. Declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, explanatory sentence. Declarative sentence states a fact or opinion. Example: the sky is blue. Interrogative sentence asks a question. Example: what is your name? Imperative gives a command or makes a request. Example: please sit down. Explanatory expresses strong emotion. Example: what a beautiful day. Now I am going to fourth slide. Key rules in sentence structure. Subject verb agreement. The subject and verb must agree in number, singular or plural. Example: she sings, correct. She sing, incorrect. Tense. Verbs must be in the correct tense to indicate the time of action. Example: I am eating, present continuous. I ate, past simple. Modifier: words or phrases that provide additional information about other elements in the sentence. Example: the bright sun. Adjective modifying sun. She runs quickly. Adverbs modify runs. Now I am going to fifth slide. This is the last. No, I I have a one more. No, clauses and phrases. Independent clause, a group of words that can stand alone as a sentence. He dances, she dances. Dependent clause cannot stand alone as a sentence and depends on the independent clause. Because he was tired. Phrases: a group of words that work together but do not have both a subject and a verb. Example: in the morning, running down the street. Now I am going to sixth slide. Common sentence structure: subject, verb, object. She kicks the ball. Subject, verb, birds fly. Subject, verb, complement. She is happy. Here, happy is the complement describing the subject. Subject, verb, indirect object, direct object. She gave him a gift. Him is the indirect object. A gift is the direct object. Subject, verb, object, complement. They elected him president. Him is the object. President is the complement describing the object. Understanding these elements and rules will help you construct clear and grammatically correct sentence. Now I am ending the class and at the same time I request you to go through through this video so that you will gain more knowledge to construct English sentence and you can speak fluently in future. As you know, English is a international language and it is needed for all of us to know very well. Now I repeat, I am ending the class for the day. Thank you very much.